Hey, this is oreumai. We deliver medical supplies between hospitals using drones. So let me show you how it works.
So let's see how it works. Let's hit the next button. So let's sign up. So you need to enter your basic information like email, name, and so on. And your mobile phone number. After reading, you need to agree all term and use. And you will receive a code, verification code to your phone number, and you need to input it here. Let's verify account. So congratulations, you have verified. And let's see login page. You can log in using your email and password, or you can use the easy logins like Google, Kakao, and so on. So it will open the main page where you can see two main buttons, new delivery and track package. So, and also list of hospitals and your recent activities here. So let's hit the new delivery. It will open product permission page. After reading, you need to agree all these safety regulations like verified cargo classification, triple package standards, and so on. So if you want to send blood, you can pick the blood or emergency kit and so on. So in our case, let's send the blood supply. We enter the blood weight and dimension. So we will choose the temperature and hazardous level and is it fragile or not. So agree and confirm. It will open the map. From here, you can choose your current location and the place where you want to send. So we already made like a default destination, so you can just confirm and pick up the point. You just confirm that your destination, and you will see it will calculate everything, and it will give you the distance, delivery time, and ETA. So let's place an order. It will open place an order page where you can see all your entered information, and you can choose payment methods. So like Kakao Pay, Toast Pay, and so on. And let's pay. So your payment is done, and you will see the order summary here, like a blood supply, cost, payment method, and so on. So let's order more. It will return the main page. From here, you can see your orders, like you can see live. It will be delivering now. And from the bottom bar, you can see the search page, card, so you can save as many as you want. And then the profile. From here, you can see the settings. You can make the basic settings and so on. After making an order, you can track your package by clicking Track Package button. So if you want to try it by yourself, go to oreumai.kr and sign up for early access. We would love to have you on our board.